Hello everyone, a very good morning to one and all present here. I am Shagnik and I welcome you all to online learning. Today we are going to discuss Infosys System Engineer previous year questions. Before moving on to the questions, a brief introduction about myself. I got graduated in BTech in Information Technology from JS College of Engineering in 2022. At that time, I have cracked seven companies, namely TCS, IBM, Deloitte, Hexaware, etc. etc. I have 2 years of work experience as a software engineer in Hexaware Technologies. Post that, now I am studying in Tata Institute of Social Sciences in HR domain, which is the one of the best colleges for HR in India. So now let us move towards the questions. Okay. Uh, I will request all of you to take pen and paper with yourself and solve the questions with me because these are all previous year questions and this will help you to ace your Infosys System Engineer exam. So, what is the pattern of the System Engineer exam? So, we have seven sections. In first section, we have reasoning ability test. There are 15 questions and you have 25 minutes to solve. Then we have technical ability test. We have 10 questions and 35 minutes to solve. Then we have verbal ability test. We have 20 questions and 20 minutes to solve. Then we have pseudocode test. We have 5 questions and 10 minutes to solve. Then we have numerical puzzle test where we have 4 questions and 10 minutes to solve. Then we have English grammar test. We have 5 questions and 10 minutes to solve. And in English writing test, we have 1 question and 10 minutes to solve. And all of this carries 1 mark each. Pseudopost carries 2 marks each. Numerical puzzle test carries 2 or 3 marks each. Okay. English grammar test carries 10 marks per question. Uh, it is wrong. It should be 1 mark per question again. Okay. And for English writing test, it is not applicable. They have not mentioned the marking criteria. Okay. So today we are going to cover the reasoning ability test and numerical puzzle test. So let us move towards that. So the first question. Consider the below question followed by two statements. What is the value of y? First it's given y squared minus 25 is equal to 0. Y is less than 6. I will request all of you to pause for 1 or 2 seconds, solve yourself, then move on to the solutions. Okay, so let us solve it. So see, y squared is equal to 25. It will be, then what will be y? Y is equal to plus minus 5. Y can be both plus minus 5. Now in the second statement they have given y is less than 6. Y less than 6 means it cannot be 5. So y should be minus 5. So the question they have given, what is the value of y? So for getting the value of y minus 5, we require both the statements. Okay. So see, the question can be answered with the help of any one statement but not both. This is wrong. It cannot be answered by any one statement. Okay. We cannot get the exact number of y, exact value of y. The question cannot be answered with the help of information provided. This is also wrong because we are getting the value. The question can be answered with the help of the both the statements together. So this is the right answer. The question can be answered with the help of either of the statements. It is again wrong. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Okay. It is kind of syllogism questions. Each question contains 6 statements. Okay. Followed by 4 state of combinations of 3. Choose the set in which third statement can be logically derived from the first two statements. Okay, where the third statement can be logically derived from the first two statements. Okay, let us move towards the option and let us solve it. A, B, F. So according to the options or the question, F should be derived from A or A and B. Okay, then it will be the right answer. Okay, let us check A. All fruits are flowers. This is fruits. All fruits are flowers. Okay. Now B. All fruits are not edible. All fruits are not edible. Okay. What is the A option? All flowers are edible. No, this is wrong because some fruits, some part of flowers are fruit. So Some flowers will be fruits and they will not be edible. So this is the wrong answer. Okay. Now let us move towards BDE. What is B? All fruits are not edible. Okay. All fruits are not edible. What is D? All flowers are poisonous. All flowers are poisonous. What is E? Some poisonous are fruits. C. We have no relationship with flowers here. There is no relationship given between flowers and fruits. So we cannot assume that some poisonous are fruits. Okay. So we cannot assume that. So this is again wrong. Okay. Now we are moving to ACF. What is A? All fruits. All fruits are flowers. All fruits are flowers. Okay. Then C. All flowers are not fruits. All flowers are okay. Yeah. All flowers are not fruits. Okay. Understood. Then F. All flowers are edible. They are not. They have not given any relationship regarding edible in these statements. Okay. So we cannot assume that again. So this is also wrong. So we have to see all these options separately. Okay. You cannot assume or you cannot consider these statements. Okay. Or you cannot consider these statements. You cannot consider these statements together. Okay. You have to do it separately. Now let us move to the last option, that is ADE. So what is A again? All fruits. All fruits are flowers. Okay. What is D? All flowers are poisonous. uh, D is all flowers are poisonous. Okay. All flowers are poisonous. All flowers are poisonous. Okay. Now, what is E? Some poisonous are fruits. Yes, fruits is inside flowers and flowers is inside poisonous. So some fruits must be poisonous, right? So this is the right answer. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, again, you can let me know in the comment section and you can again go through the solution once more. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, consider the below question followed by two statements. Again, you have to solve it and you have to check from which of the options you are getting it. Okay, please take this as homework because we have done a similar type of question in the question one, and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay, those who will give the right answer, I will comment there. Okay, so please solve it and let me know the answer in the comment section. Now, let us move to the next question. Some actors are singers, all the singers are dancers. So it's second syllogism portion. Conclusion: some actors are dancers, no singer is actor. Okay. So see the statements. Some actors, some actors are singers. All the singers are dancers. Okay. Some actors are dancers. Yes, some actors are dancers. This part. So this is right. No singer. Uh, no singer is an actor. It is wrong because this part, some singers are actors, right? So this is wrong. Okay, so only one conclusion follows. I hope you have understood. Now let us move to the next question. So before solving the question, I would want to request all of you, please like the session, subscribe our channel, and share the video with your friends as well, so that everyone get help from this. Okay. Now let us solve it. This is a DI question. Okay, these are all previous year questions from Infosys System Engineer. Okay, so which of the following items accounts for the maximum expenditure during the years 1977 to 1981? So 19C 1977 to 1981 is being displayed in white. Okay, this portion is the 1970 to 1981. Okay, which of the following for the maximum expenditure? This accounts for the maximum expenditure. By C, the black is up to 20. Okay, and it is going up to 50. So this is 30. By seeing only you can get to know this is 30. This is from 20 to 30. So this is 10, and this is less only. This is from 30 to 50. So this is 20. This is 10 to around 25. So this is 15. This is 10 to 45. This is 10 to 35. This is 7 15. So maximum expenditure is in salaries. Salaries is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Okay, based on this DI only, the amount of expenditure on education is approximately what fraction of expenditure on machinery during the years 1977 to 1981? Again, this white part. So, what expenditure on machinery? Machinery is from 30 from 30 to till 50. So, it is around uh, the amount of expenditure on education. Machinery is around 20 from 30 to 50 on education. Education is from it is from 15 to 30, right? From 15 to 30. So this is 15. Amount of expenditure on education, it is 15. What fraction of expenditure on machinery? Machinery is 20. So cut it, will be 3 by 4. So 3 is to 4 should be the right answer. Okay. So let us move to the next question. If the total expenditure on housing is rupees 1125 crores, total expenditure on housing that given, this is housing 1125 crores during 1977 to 1981. Again, this white portion. The total expenditure on machinery during the same period is okay. So see, 20 to 35 around. So 15 here, 15 is 1125. Okay, and now we have to find the machinery is from 30 to around 50, so it is 20. So we have to find the value of 20, so do cross multiply. So 15x is equal to 1125 into 20. So the value of x will be 1125 into 20 by 15. So 15 divided by 1125, what will be the value? Just calculate it. Okay. If you have calculator, you can use it. Let me check. 1125 divided by 15 is 75. The value is coming 75 into 20. 75 into 20 is 1500. 1500. This will be the right answer. Okay. I hope you all have got this answer. Now let us move to the next question. So this is again a syllogism questions. I will request all of you to take this as homework. Please solve this question and let me know the answer in the comment section. Now let us move to the next question. In a certain code language, song is coded as 110. What is movie coded as? Okay, so I will request all of you before the exam starts, write this in the sheet you are using, the rough sheet. Okay, so that will save your time during exam because you will get coding and decoding questions. It is compulsory, or it is mandatory that they give this coding decoding questions. Like generally they give this type of questions. So please write it before the exam starts. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, and also write the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. Now they have given song is coded as 1110. So let us try to find a pattern. See, S is 19. S is 19. Let us add it. O is 15. Okay. N is how much? N is 14. Plus G is how much? G is 7. Okay. C, 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 19, 40. 40 plus 15, 55. So they have given song as 1110. So see, 55 into 2 we are getting 1110, right? So 55 into 2 is 1110. Now let us code movie. Movie M M is how much? 13. O is how much? 15. V is how much? 22. Plus I, where is I? I is 9. Plus E, 5. Okay, moving. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 22, 42. 42 plus 13. 42 plus 13, 55. 55 plus 9, 64. So now we have to multiply it with 2 as per the previous pattern or previous coding technique we have used. So 64 into 2 is 118. So 118 is the right answer. I hope you are solving these answers before seeing the solutions. Please do that, so it will help you to practice. Okay. So 11128 is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Okay, this is a seating arrangement or data arrangement question. Okay, six boys A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row, not necessarily in the given order. There is only one magazine that gets circulated from the first to the sixth position, the first person being at the extreme left. The first person is at the extreme left. So there are A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, this is the first position at extreme left. This is the second position, third position, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So the magazine gets circulated from first to sixth person like this way. It gets circulated. Okay. The following are some of the points known about the group. Okay. So B cannot take paper from C. B cannot take paper from C. Okay. This is not possible. Okay. C sits in the first row. Okay. So C sits in the first row. So B cannot take paper from C. So B will not be here. So this is confirmed. Okay. D cannot take paper from C. So D will also not be here. Okay. A cannot hand over the paper to anybody. A cannot hand over the paper to anybody. This signifies that A should be in the last position because A cannot hand over paper to anybody. D does not pass paper to A. So D does not pass paper to A. So D is also not here. Okay. So D must be in any of these positions. Okay. In these two positions. F cannot pass paper to D. F cannot pass paper to D. Okay. F cannot pass paper to D. Okay. If D is sitting at third position, okay, they've mentioned that F cannot pass paper to D, so this is also not possible. Okay, D is sitting at third position. Okay, D is sitting at third position. So F is also will not be in this position because F cannot pass paper to D. So F must be in this position or this position. Okay. Then E is sitting at the position C. In this position, B cannot be there. Okay, D cannot be there, F cannot be there. C and A is already got their positions. So only position left here is E. So E will be here. Okay, and it's this position F. Uh, so F will be in this position because F cannot be here. Okay, F F cannot pass. Okay, F and position we don't know. So F can be here as well. F can be here as well. Okay, A, B, and B can be here as well. B can be here as well. That we don't know. Okay, these four positions we know. So if D is sitting at third position, then C is sitting at position. E is sitting as position second. So second will be the right answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, they are also following the same question. From whom does D take the magazine? From whom does D take the magazine? See D. So from whom D takes the magazine? It is E. Okay. D take the magazine from E. Right answer is E. I hope you have understood. So right answer is E. Now let us move to the next question. We have 15 questions in total as per the pattern. Okay, we have also taken 15 questions. If rain is coded as URDQ, sun is coded as XVQ, how will moon be coded? So this type of question, coding and decoding question, we have already solved. So take this as homework and let me know the answer in the comment section. Again, I will recommend you write A, B, C, D, E, F beforehand, before starting the exam, so you can save your time. Okay, just take this as homework. Let us move to the next question. Okay, the following table shows the number of laptops sold by a company in 5 consecutive months. Okay, January, February, March, April, May. In which month was the percentage increase over the previous month the highest? Percentage increase over the previous month is highest. So it has increased 120 to 150. 150 to 100, it decreased. 100 to 180. So 180 to 150 is again decreased. So increase happening from January to February and March to April. So see, it has gone from 120 to 150 and it has gone from 100 to 180. So must be this the increase is maximum here. So in which month was the percentage increase over the previous month highest? So the answer is April. Percentage increase is the highest in April than the previous month. The correct answer is April. Okay. In a family of six members, A, B, C, D, E, F, there are two married couples. D is the teacher and father of E. F is the grandfather of E and is a lawyer. B is the wife of D. C is the brother of D. Find the relationship between A and F. So this type of question, sitting arrangement question we have done. This is a relation based question. So please take this as homework and let me know the answer in the comment section. If you face any problem, let me know in the next class that we are going to bring. There I will solve this answer. Okay. But first try yourself first. Okay. Now let us move to the last question of reasoning. In a row of 50 students, in a row of 50 students. So this is a row of 50 students. Okay. A is 10th from the left. A is 10th from left. Okay. B is 20 from the right. So B is 20th position from right. How many students are between A and B? You can use formula here, n minus 1 and all those things, but the very easy way, if you don't remember the formula, to do it by logic. Okay, A is 10th position here, so before him there will be 9 persons here, right? Again, this side, B is in 20th position, so before him there will be 19 people here, right? So 19 plus 9, 28 students already gone, plus 2 students, because you have to take this student as well, you have to take this student as well. So 30 students already gone. So how many students between them? It will be 20, because 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. I hope you have understood. 9 students is before A, 19 students is before B. So 28 already gone, 19 plus 9. Okay. A, now we have to find the between students. So we have to calculate A plus B as well, because they will not be between A and B. So plus 2, that is 30. Now how many students left? 20 students. Okay. So 20 will be the right answer. So now we will be moving towards puzzle. Okay. So let us solve puzzle questions in exam. There will be 4 puzzle question, and we have also taken 4 puzzles questions. Okay. Okay, first question. In the following question, select the number which can be placed at the sign of question mark. Okay, we have to find what will come here. Okay, let us try to find a pattern in both of this. 39, 39. See, 5 into 3 is what? 15. 6 into 4 is what? 24. It's 24, right? If we add it, 39 is coming. Again, see, 5 into 4, 20, plus 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10. So 30 is coming. So they are following this pattern. Multiply, sorry, multiply this two, then add. So we will follow the same pattern. Multiply this two. 8 into 6, 48. 4 into 5, 20. Now add both of them. 68. 68 should be the correct answer. So 68 is right. Now let us move to the next question. Find the missing terms in the third figure. Assume that third figure works in the same way as the other two. Okay. See, 14, 11, 22, 12, 10, 20, 20 AB. Okay. You can see 11 into 2, 10 into 2. So B should be into 2 of A. Okay, but we don't know the value of A as well. Let us find something. See this. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So we have to follow the same pattern. 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8. 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So B is 28. Okay. And A is 14. B is 28. A is 14. So option C is the right answer. Find the next number in the series. Please take this as homework again. Okay. We will solve the last question of today's. Okay. What number should replace the question mark? So this is the question mark. What number should replace the question mark? Okay. Let us try to find it. 6, 4, 4, 22. 4. 4 into 3, 12 plus 3. 1 into 5. Okay. 4 into 4, 16 plus 6. Yes. See. 6 plus 4 into 4. Right. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 6. 22. Let us check if it is happening for this as well or not. 3 into 3. 9 plus 4. Yes. 13. So I've got the pattern. 5 into 4. 20 plus 1. 21. 6 into 7. It should be 6 into 7. 42. 2 plus 42. The correct answer will be 44. So 44 will be the right answer. So that's all for today. I hope you have loved this session. Please like the session, subscribe our channel if you're new to this channel, and please share the session with your friends, and also press the bell icon, as we are coming up with more videos that will help you to clear this Infosys system examination. Thank you, and yeah, thank you, and have a nice day ahead. That's all for today.